afternoon, everyone. Basically, today is our lecture by the IIC, Institute Innovation Council. So basically, this is a small council which is in our PSIT. In this council, we are having the startups, the people, the students, those who are having the ideas of the startup. They can come and discuss the idea with us. So proper team is running in the IIC, and over there we are also connected with the government, where governments can provide you the grants. Government can also give you the financial support also. Okay, so just you have to share your idea with your teammates, with our team which is already there in our campus. So chairman of our IIC team is Dr. Abrasis Gurvanshi. I hope you are already aware of this. So basically this is a small session conducted by the IIC only. So how you can raise your capital, how you can raise your finance for your startups. Okay. So Rajpal sir will introduce about IIC first, and after that he will introduce how you can earn or how you can make the capital, how you can upgrade your business. Okay. So basically not only the placement, PSIT just want the people that you can also go ahead or work in the startups also. We can also give you the financial support with the help of government. Many grants and these schemes are already running on with the government. So we all just want that you also participate in the startups also. Go ahead.
Rajvanshi are presenting here a workshop on the topic of making capital and managing principle for startups. What is the startup? Have any idea? Tell me. Startup which is established with this you are running planning, estimate, idea, launching. So these are the raising capital is one of the most important steps for any startup. It refers to the process of securing funds to start, operate and grow business without sufficient funding. Even the best business idea may fail to succeed. So raising capital for the startups, the capital fuel needed for transfer of idea between directly generating business. Second, entrepreneurship is not in fractionalness, lack of capital which is needed to follow the startup failure. The main goal of balance growth with financial stability. Why startup need the capital? Startup require capital for product, new development of product, adding skills requiring marketing and promotion of product, infrastructure and technology, daily to operational expenses. So we can smoothly function to startups or companies. Stage of fund. What is the stage of funding? 3 stages. Focus on initial idea and prototype of any startup. Early stage product development and marketing of the product. Growth stage expansion and scaling of the product and services. Late stage. Large investment before IPO. Okay. Sources of raising capital. What is the sources of raising capital? First is the bootstrap is self-funding. Bootstrap like this self-funding when a startup using founders' personal savings or resources. Self-funding allows founders to start independently, but limits rapid growth due to financial constraints. Key functions can sources of raising the capital. First is the founders use their own savings. Second, full ownership of and control of the business. No need to pay loans to share equity. Simple and quick to start. So, no external pressure from investors. Complete decision-making freedom. Limited financial resources. Second one is the front-end start. Friends, easy to get funding, flexible payment, terms, risk and personal relationship issues. Third, angel investors. Angel investors provide early financial support and mentorship. They extend for share in startups. Wealthy individuals investing in early stage startups. Second is the provide mentorship, guidance along with the funds. Flexible investment for terms. Provide smaller amounts than venture capital. So, value in this advanced networking. No need to immediate implement. Fourth is the venture capital. Venture capital provides large funding for rapid growth but requires scaling ownership and meeting high investor expectations. Key point in the investing from venture capital firms. Second one, suitable for high growth startups, access to large capital for rapid growth, strategic guidance and industry to standardize strong network across the field. So crowdfunding raises small amounts from many people, helping startups get both funds and early marketing support. Key factors in the raising small amounts from many people via online platform. Second one is the contributed donations like rewards, equity days, requires strong marketing, usually to access larger numbers of investors, builds brand awareness and customer list. So build customer interest early. Sources of raising capital from bank loans. Bank loans are one of the most common and traditional ways to raise capital for startups or businesses. First, traditional method for funding requires collateral repayment with interest and no ownership dilution. Government schemes like financial and non-financial support programs run by the government, the state government of India, and encourage startups, entrepreneurship, and innovation. Financial support from government programs, subsidies, grants, and low-interest loans engage entrepreneurship. Major government schemes for startups, like first is the Startup India, One scheme provide tax benefit, easy registration and funding support, offers access to mentorship and networking. Second is the Mudra Yojana launch for small business, no collateral required, loan amount up to 10 lakh. Standard India schemes promotes entrepreneurship among women and SHT communities. Loan and up to 10 to 1 crore. Fourth is the Atal Innovation Mission, innovation and entrepreneurship provides incubation centers and funding support. Benefits of government schemes. First is the easy access of funding, subsidies and tax controls, encouragement for innovation, support for small and rural businesses. Key considerations of raising capital. Raising capital is not just about getting funds, it requires careful planning and strategic decision making. Startup must evaluate our capital to ensure sustainable growth and success. First, the business stage, a stage of outdoor startup like idea, early growth, otherwise funding options. Second is the early stage startups with strategy or angel investors. Growth stage startups may attract venture capital. Second is the amount of capital required, estimate how much funding is needed for startups or business, avoid overfunding, loss of control and underfunding business. Prepare a clear financial plan for the startups or business. Third is the cost of capital. Understanding the cost involved in raising funds, equity finance, loss of ownership, control of ownership, debt financing, investment order for any startup. Ownership and control. Getting equity means sharing ownership. Investor may influence decision making and founder must balance control and funding. Fifth is the risk and return expectations. Investors expect the returns on their investment, high risk and high return expectation. Choose investors aligned with your return. Sixth is the equity valuation, determines how much equity to give for funding. Overvaluation may discourage investors. Undervaluation may lead to loss for founders. Repayability, important in case of loans from banks and ensure stable cash flow for repayment, avoid financial space. Legal and compliance issues. For any startups, follow the legal procedure and documentation, agreement, contracts, and regulation must be clear. Protect intellectual property rights, trademarks, copyrights, and long-term impact. Consider how funding affects future growth, impact on profit sharing, decision making, and potential. Plan for future funding rounds. Grants and competitions funding for startups in the start of government institutions or organizations to start up without the need for implement and giving or giving equity. So no implement impact on the grant, no ownership dilution, usually given for innovation, research and social impact, requires eligibility criteria and proper documentation, pre-funding no financial model, support to innovation, encourage new ideas, creativity improves startup innovation. Second is the competitions, startup contests, startup competitions are events where entrepreneurs present their ideas to judge or investors to bid the funding, grant or support. Teaching business ideas of your startup is done by expert and investors, providing good cash, mentorship and innovation. Funding opportunity like money, networking connect with investors and mentors, exposure gap for your startups, skill development, improve thinking and presentation. Managing finance for startups, how can manage the finance for startups or increase financial management? Startup refers to planning, organization and controlling and monitoring financial resources to achieve business goals efficiently. Startup must manage finance carefully because they usually have limited funds, high uncertainty, rapid growth needs. Importance of financial management has in business survival and growth, maintains cash flow sustainability, supports decision making, builds investor confidence. Key financial activities, proper budgeting, planning, income and expenses, help to avoid overspending, provide financial direction, cash flow management, tracking money coming in and going out, ensure enough cash and daily operations, critical for startup survival. So, key financial individual financial planning, future financial needs and planning investment and expenses calculation, cost control, reducing unnecessary expenses, improving profitability. Key financial statements, income statement like profit and loss, show profit or loss over the period, balance sheet, prepare proper balance sheet, show assets, liability and equity of your business startup, cash flow statement, manage tax and cost, inflow and outflow of cash. Financial challenges startups are certain revenue, poor cash flow management, difficulty in getting investors, high operational costs. Best practices for managing financing. First is the maintain proper accounting records. So separate personal and business finances, monitor cash flow regularly, control unnecessary expenses, use finance tools or software, plan and emergency seek expert advice like CA and financial advisor. So maintain proper accounting records like account statement, profit, control statement, evaluation of the project of your startup. So separate personal and business expenses. So all funds must be separated like personal expenses or business expenses. So monitor cash flow regularly, monitor cash control unnecessary expenses. Use financial tools and software for startups. Plan emergency fund, seeks